This is my business. Mahesh, projector and speaker rentals.
हाँ, your profile has
Sir,
been suspended.
yes, sir.
Okay, so suspension हटाने का काम करो फिर. So can you please show your profile, edit info? Go down, down, down. Why have you put a lot of service name here?
Lot of service area. So here they are asking they have here having options, so that's why
That is good. But Google suggests that whatever service your area you're putting, you just put like 10, 20 kilometer of radius.
okay.
You have put Telangana, you have put I mean Secunderabad. Secunderabad itself is of I think 30, 40 kilometer radius, right? If
Yes.
I'm not wrong. So sir,
Okay.
delete all these service areas. Yeah. This WhatsApp and phone number also you just remove for time being. Then follow the suspension removal thing. So this
Sir,
chat option,
one
whatever the WhatsApp and text number which is being given, just remove it for time being.
text option, WhatsApp option.
Just remove it for time being. Understand nobody is going to text you, man. Do you text somebody nowadays?
No.
Then why you are expecting somebody will text you?
Okay. Remove.
Yeah, remove that. So remove that. WhatsApp you can keep it, or you can remove it. Um, it is good while the profile is suspended. It's better you remove that, and then you follow the Google Business Profile suspension removal process. So have you
Okay.
gone through the course?
So what you are telling?
Have you gone through the course?
Yes.
So have you checked the course where I have explained you how to make your profile suspension removed?
Sir, I'm not seen the course. Just today I'm joined.
तुझे इसलिए जाए. Okay, okay, no problem. So just go through the course once. So you're a business owner or a digital marketer?
Sir, business owner.
Business owner. Now we have two options. I'm not sure if you have spoken to our team or not. So do you want to learn it and do it on your own because you want to do it for you and for the other people, or business is very important and business is being impacted, so you want this to be recovered faster? Which option you want?
So I want to learn and I want to make it.
Okay, so if you want to learn, go through the course
Hmm.
and apply it and recover it.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you the crux of it. So guys, for everybody, whenever your profile gets suspended, there are basics. First, you go and check what is wrong in your profile and then correct it. There can be some scenario where the phone number is wrong, or where the website which you have given is wrong, or for example, in this case, service area, a lot of service area has been given. So there can be multiple reasons for the Google Business file got suspended. So first, you go through that, correct it. So that's stage number one. Stage number two, that you create the schema markup. You do a lot of 10, 20 citations to ensure that Google understand that it is your business. And then you go ahead and do the appeal with the documents, whatever it is required, and follow the whole suspension removal process.
Sir, one thing I want to ask.
Yes, please.
Sir, this profile already working within 3 days,
Hmm.
and this is already mobile number also given
Hmm.
by the Google,
Hmm.
but after 1 week, automatically suspended.
Yeah, so that can happen. Now you are saying that, sir, I was very good, well, I was fit and fine, but after 3 days, automatically once in the morning I got up and I was having fever.
Hmm.
It can happen. Now the point is you need to cure that fever. You
Okay.
have to take the right medicine.
And one and sir, here I have the another profile in Bangalore also.
Hmm.
So in Telangana, Mahesh projector and speaker rentals,
Hmm.
and in Bangalore, Mahesh speaker and projector rentals.
Hmm.
and change the name only.
Hmm.
So is this okay or I'm doing wrong?
Don't change the name. So sometime Google accept, sometime it may cause a uh, problem because it's not only about changing the name at one place. It you need to go and change the name in Facebook page, in Insta account, in Just Dial, in India Mart, in all other places.
Okay.
So changing the name is generally not recommended. The primary name you should not change. Google treat it as uh, some suspicious activity, and for that
Okay.
matter, profile gets suspended.
Okay. Okay. So I think this is the problem happening here, I think.
Oh, so you change the name. Yeah. So that is the reason. Yes, you're right. You just correct
And
the name and
another
again try that.